This video is to find the vertex of a quadratic function, a vertex. So the first step is to go to y equals and input your quadratic function. This is just an example. It doesn't have anything to do with the problem you may be working on in class, but this is an arbitrary quadratic, and I'm going to find the vertex of it. So the first thing after you put your function in y equals, you're going to press zoom 6. We always start off with zoom 6, which is a standard 10 by 10 window. And then you're going to look to see if you can see the entire quadratic, which I can't. So after zoom 6, I'm going to press zoom 0, and that's going to fit the quadratic to the window screen. Hopefully I'll be able to see the full quadratic, but if not, like in this situation, I can't see the entire quadratic. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. Now I know that we're finding the vertex, and I can kind of see where the vertex is right here, but I'm still going to zoom out by pressing zoom 3, and then I'm going to scroll over before you press enter. You're going to scroll over to the area that you want to zoom out around. So I want to zoom out around that maximum. So after I do zoom 3, scroll your cursor over and then press enter. And that's going to give me a clearer picture of where that maximum is, or that vertex. So now I can see the vertex, and I want to find the exact point of it. So I'm going to do second trace. In this situation, I want to choose maximum because on my quadratic here, the parabola is faced upside down, which means I have a maximum point where my vertex is. If the quadratic were flipped right side up, then you would have a minimum, and you would then look for minimum. But I'm going to choose number 4 for maximum. And you'll see for maximum and minimum, it asks you for the left bound and then the right bound in a minute. So you're going to move your cursor to the actual center of the vertex. So right now my cursor is at the vertex. Then I'm going to go to the left of the vertex. And so I just go over like 1, 2, 3, and then press enter. Now it's asking me for the right bound. So I'm going to go back to the center, 1, 2, 3. So now I'm back at the center at the vertex, and now I'm going to go 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then press enter. And then enter again, and that will give you the maximum. So the maximum here is at 8, 30. That's how you find the maximum, and the minimum works the same way.